everybody, in today's video we're going to see how to set up your Stan store to sell digital products. It's a quick tutorial, just follow the steps I'm going to show you guys. And if you don't have Stan store, I'll provide a link in description and you can go and check it out. Now the first step is to build a good profile. For that you need to just go here and click on this icon and add all of your social media accounts here where you have information about your product, content about your product, so that people can go and visit your social media account. Once you have done it, here you will be provided with different fonts, different styles to customize your main page of your store. Once you have set it up, just go and hit add product button here. Now here you will be provided with different kind of options, different product types. You can choose the one that suits you, that suits your product, and hit click on it. You will be provided with different editing options, different themes to set up your digital product. You can also use affiliate link by going to the external link slash URL to lead your audience to an affiliate product. And that's it. That was a quick tutorial how you can set up your Stan store to sell your digital product. See you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share the video. Take care. Bye bye.